spacious parking. Walking in together, let the adventure begin. Exploring the lush premises of Hidden Village. Hi to the ducks and hens, nature's little friends. Lunch starts at 1 p.m. and is served authentic and delicious. Just us, nature, and a lot of peace. Relaxing on the hanging mesh, pure bliss. A natural waterfall that soothes the soul. Bonus, a free fish pedicure, ticklish and fun. Around 5 p.m., we enjoy a short, 15-minute walk in nature to the nearby village lake. The trek to the lake is a short 15-minute walk, guided by the resort staff. The trek is short, but the views are worth every step. The pristine lake, cool breeze, and scenic views, magical. Skipping stones, sharing laughs, and soaking in the moment. Relaxing by the lake, a perfect spot to unwind and connect with nature. Heading back to the resort, hearts full of peace and memories. A fun game of badminton, just us, the night, and some friendly competition. resort hosts a karaoke night, gathering all the guests for some fun and laughter.
Next. Next. Next.
Morning breakfast, mistle pav, egg burji, and hot tea and coffee. This is our first vlog, and we know we missed covering a few things. Stay tuned for our next vlog. It will be more detailed and informative. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our new channel.